Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 2nd, 2024. And we already have solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one, oh, apologies, bumped the camera. Well, it's not so stable, the Alright, this one will be number 7724. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Yeah, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Oh wait, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then, let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And an O between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between us. Always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth, a 1. So that box should be an O. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us. Always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, without comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.